I don't regard compassion as a virtue. Compassion is a reflex, not a virtue.
You don't think
judicious compassion is a virtue?
Wait a minute. Compassion can come deep from the human heart and the human mind, I think. Are we talking about the same kind of compassion?
Yes.
Trying to understand the suffering.
Treating adults like infants is not virtuous.
I see. But well, compassion isn't treating adults like infants. I mean, those are just terms.
Are you sure?
Okay. Whatever the term is, maybe love is maybe the better
compassion
word.
Is.
I mean, I suppose I'm speaking to love. You don't think those ideas came from concern?
Love is compassion.
You don't think
love is a blend of compassion and encouragement and truth. Love is complicated, man.
Yeah,
if I love you,
things in it,
if I love you, is it compassion or encouragement you want from me?
Yeah, it's a dance. Love is definitely a dance of two humans. Ultimately, that leads to the growth of both.
Well, that's the thing. The growth element is crucial.
Yeah,
because the growth element, to foster the growth element, that requires judgment, compassion, and judgment. Well, even. And have been conceptualized this way forever, two hands of God, mercy and justice. They have to operate in tandem, right? And mercy is, flawed as you are, you're acceptable. It's like, well, do you want that? Do you want your flaws to be acceptable? And the answer to that is no. So it's like, well, that's where the judgment comes in. It's like, but you could be better. You could be more than you are. And that's the maternal and the paternal in some fundamental sense. And there has to be an active exchange of information between those two poles.